Yo, yo, yo. Welcome to another episode of product reviews. Yo, I've purchased a few things from the White Magnolia Bread and Bakery Company, and I'm going to try out a few things. I got the cinnamon and sugar focaccia with the everyday bagel sourdough bread. Also got a Greek baklava and a Turkish baklava. Thing about baklava, when I went to a Middle Eastern restaurant a while back and I tried the baklava and I was hooked. I haven't really found another spot that makes baklava, so I'm gonna definitely get this and try. This gonna be my dessert. But for the everyday bagel sourdough bread, I'm gonna slice it up, and guess what? The gyro flatbread I made yesterday, we gonna add it to there. Let's get started. Go ahead and take this out of here. Got my bread knife. Go ahead and give me a good slice. Do about this thick right here. Pop it in the oven just to get a little crispy. And time to assemble the sandwich. While the bread is toasting, we're gonna go ahead and give the Greek baklava a try. This thing right here good, man. Actually better than a restaurant. I'm over here eating, talking at the same time. How rude of me. Oh yeah. Time to eat. Well, it's too late for that already. Now we're trying the Turkish baklava. That's one pretty good. Like, them pistachios punch you in the face. So yeah, this gonna be my dessert. Now, assembling the sandwich. I was just gonna do like a flatbread like I did yesterday, but you know what? I decided I'm gonna make a sandwich out of this. So adding the tzatziki sauce. I probably said that wrong. You know, sometimes I'm like, you said that wrong. So we're gonna add the gyro. There go my decarbonator. Actually working on another video at the same time. Gotta multitask sometimes. Gonna add the pickled red onions with a little bit of feta. Get it all up in there. Close the top on it. Yeah, look at that. And guess what? Time to eat. Oh yeah. Go ahead and check out White Magnolia Bread and Bakery Company. I'm gonna leave their information in the comments, or even tag them on Facebook. Go ahead and check them out. You want some good, authentic bread, baklava, focaccia, go ahead and hit them up.